How to build credit with no credit history. Beginner guide. Want to buy a house, rent an apartment, or get a good phone plan someday? You'll need credit. But what if you have no credit history, or worse, bad credit? Here's how to start building strong credit from zero, step by step. Step 1. Get a starter credit card. Apply for a secured credit card or a student card. These are designed for beginners. Use it for small purchases like gas or groceries, never more than 30% of your credit limit. Step 2. Pay on time, every time. Your payment history is 35% of your credit score. Even one missed payment can hurt your score. Set auto reminders or auto pay to stay consistent. Step 3. Keep your credit use low. Don't max out your card. Keep your usage under 30% of your limit. 10% is even better. Step 4. Become an authorized user. Ask a family member with good credit to add you as a user on their card. You don't even need to use it. Their good history helps build yours. Step 5. Check your credit report for free. Go to annualcreditreport.com and check for errors. Fixing mistakes could boost your score quickly. Building credit takes time, but it's worth it. Strong credit opens doors to better interest rates, lower deposits, and financial freedom. This is Smart Money Guide, helping you grow your money smarter, not harder. Subscribe for more simple strategies that actually work.